Heritage agreements are formal arrangements or understandings between parties often involving governments, local communities, and organizations aimed at protecting and managing cultural heritage sites and practices. These agreements can take various forms, including memoranda of understanding, conservation agreements, and management plans. Here are some key aspects. Number one is protection of sites. Heritage agreements often focus on the preservation of specific sites, ensuring that they are maintained and protected from development of degradation. This can include archaeological sites, historic buildings, and natural landscape with cultural significance. Number two is community involvement. Many heritage agreements emphasize the importance of involving local communities in the management of their cultural heritage. This can help ensure that the heritage is represented authentically and that the community benefits from tourism and preservation efforts. Number three is sustainable practices. Agreements may include provisions for sustainable tourism practices that minimize environmental impact and promote responsible visitor behavior. This can help protect heritage sites for future generations. Number four is funding and support. Heritage agreements can also outline financial support for preservation efforts, including grants, sponsorships, and private organizations. This funding can be crucial for maintaining and restoring heritage sites. And that's it.